I'm just
Okay.
here to make
So,
a special appearance.
or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
I'm
telling you.
here for no, ma'am.
Today's courtroom drama is absolutely unbelievable. A sovereign citizen walks into court thinking she can completely ignore the law after being charged for driving without insurance. But the moment the hearing begins, the judge wastes no time shutting every argument down. This woman insists the rules don't apply to her because she claims she isn't a citizen, and honestly, the excuses only get crazier from there. Instead of helping herself, she turns the entire courtroom into chaos while the judge calmly destroys every single argument she throws out. If you enjoy insane court moments like this, make sure to stick around because this hearing gets wild fast.
Please.
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Vier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench, or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. Has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled, on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter.
This hearing somehow becomes even more ridiculous when the sovereign citizen starts demanding the case be dismissed because she calls herself a foreign alien who supposedly isn't bound by state law. Seriously, how does that even make sense? If you're driving on public roads, you're expected to follow the same laws as everyone else, including having insurance. It's not optional, and no made-up legal phrases are going to magically change that. The judge clearly isn't buying any of it. And honestly, you can already tell this case is heading downhill for her very quickly. Let me know in the comments whose side you're on here, because things are only about to get more intense.
Your argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate, or if you don't want to participate.
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is a show cause or a capias.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. Jonvier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
The tension in this courtroom starts rising fast as the judge begins breaking down every argument piece by piece. This sovereign citizen becomes more frustrated every minute, but the facts are simply not on her side. The judge explains that insurance laws exist for a reason, to protect everyone on the road, not as some secret conspiracy against drivers. But instead of understanding that, this woman keeps arguing herself deeper into trouble. Every time she speaks, she somehow makes the situation worse. The judge stays calm, professional, and completely in control while the courtroom turns into total chaos. Trust me, this next part gets absolutely heated.
Counsel, please.
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay. So I need the actual person, Jonvier Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all cap name was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for Jonvier Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today,
I'm asking you to this matter. Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not Jonvier Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, ma'am?
I'm an attorney, in fact.
Every time sovereign citizens start throwing around phrases like attorney in fact, things immediately become confusing and ridiculous. They act like using fancy legal-sounding words somehow changes the law, but that's not how court works. In this hearing, the woman keeps insisting she can represent herself under some made-up authority, but the judge quickly explains that the legal system doesn't operate on imaginary rules. If you want to practice law or represent another legal entity in court, you need actual credentials and a valid license. You can't just invent your own system because you disagree with the existing one. The judge clearly had zero patience for these arguments, and honestly, it was painful watching this woman continue digging herself into a deeper hole.
Dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it. I will lean it.
Quiet.
Jonvier Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? Jonvier Williams, are you present twice? Jonvier Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance on the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asked, and don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of Jonvier Williams, the agent.
Okay.
Authorized representative. Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a capious put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have Jonvier Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this ticket of no insurance.
Created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. Janvier Sherelle Williams Escapius until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
By the end of this hearing, it's pretty obvious who controlled the courtroom. The judge handled the situation calmly, professionally, and never allowed the nonsense to derail the proceedings. Meanwhile, the sovereign citizen kept interrupting, arguing, and refusing to accept basic legal facts. Personally, I think the judge handled it perfectly because staying calm in situations like this is probably the best way to deal with these kinds of arguments. Some judges lose patience quickly, but this judge stayed composed while completely shutting everything down with logic and facts. Let me know what you guys think. Did the judge handle this exactly right? Or should she have been even tougher? And if you enjoyed this courtroom breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insane hearings just like this.